Happy Monday! I hope you all are doing well out there. You know, as I look through Facebook like we all do, I'm seeing pictures of my students that I've worked with who are moving into their colleges and setting up their apartments and their dorm rooms, and it just makes me so happy. And conversely, I am talking with parents who are parents of seniors who are so worried and they're really stressed out. And so I want to say, let me help you. There's still some time left, and I still have some senior spots available. And let's get you organized and let's get started because time is of the essence at this point. Again, there is a free webinar this Thursday on how to write college essays that shine, and also for juniors, now is the ideal time to get started. And so there are discounts and price incentives for starting early. So just contact me at my website in the bio, and please consider joining us for that free webinar. If nothing else, juniors can see how I interact with clients, and parents can see that as well, and maybe you like what you see. Thank you very much, and happy Monday.